Bro, I totally found this secret in this game. It's called Full Hair Tower. There's a dark secret in this game, but I don't made it far. But it's okay. So I'm gonna show you where is it. First, you load into the game. First, you think it's only a normal tower, but it is not. It is not even a real tower. First, you go right here and go past the obby until you are until the end. If you found this new, you see that, yeah, that one. Here we are at this obby. If you finish it, you will see that. Don't clearly go to that. And that girl went gone. See guys, this is the dark secret of this. And bruh, what the? Are you serious right now? I clearly am playing this game, bro. Jail Pogi. They said it was just one photo. Let your sister have the spotlight. Ah, la, la, la. You think this is a normal obby, but it's not really. Look at there, continuing. Players are continuing on this obby, but there's a dark secret about this. If you continue going that way, you will see that one, right? Yeah, you see that, and you go and go to that again and go. This is the one of some dark secret of this tower. If you click it, you go teleport someone. You will get to the teleport if you go right here. But what? You see this? You always get banned all the time. Don't know this. Oh! Is this even a normal game? If I really don't like this brown. Is this? Bro, what the fuck? Please guys. Everyone is leaving. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck? I just know that. No. Not this again. Not this again. No. No. Hell no. I'm ending this video. Bye bye. I'm ending this video.